While on his visit to Daribokgre in the foothills of the Nokrek Peak on the 28th of April 2023, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had inspected the construction of tourist accommodation and other tourism developmental activities, which are part of the eco-tourism project that was started a few years ago in East Garo Hills.
So we have come to Daribokgre to see the work that is going on for the eco-tourism project that was started a few years back out here, which included the construction of roads to this location and have a viewing deck and also have accommodation like dormitory and camping site, as well as some cottages. And the idea really is to promote sustainable and ecotourism in this location, because we are quite hopeful that this area, once we bring in different forms of livelihood, that we will be able to then ensure that people are not economically dependent on the forest resources, which will then ultimately lead to protection of the forest resources and the forest as a whole. As you know, this is also the Nokrek Bioreserve area, and hence it is the aim and objective of this government to ensure that we protect our environment.